Hey everyone, welcome back. This week is normally our fill it up bucket week for dry goods. That's not what we're doing again this week, y'all. I got turned upside down when this ad came out yesterday. Y'all, I jumped the gun. It's not even the third week of September yet, but I could not wait because I needed to get in on the sale before they were all like gone and I needed a rain check. Let's talk about expensive grocery stores for just a minute. I don't normally shop at Hy-Vee. I told you that in my last video because chicken leg quarters were on sale for 49 cents a pound. Cheaper than my local Walmart. And let me explain to you, I do live next to an Aldi. It's a mile away from my house and it's more expensive than my Walmart now. I cannot fathom that. But y'all, it is. I've been inside. I've seen the prices. But with that being said, don't hold off on your more expensive grocery stores. Look at the sales, and if it's at your price point, go in with the determination of buying that or those specific item or items. Pick it up and get out of the store. Don't look around. Don't try to pair it with other things in the store. For example, in my local Hy-Vee, their 1 pound spaghetti pasta is $1.75. My Walmart has it for 92 cents. I live very, very close to my Walmart. In fact, I am centraled around a lot of different stores within 2 miles of each other. With that being said, or less, 2 miles or less, I was not going to go out, walk over to another aisle and pick up any pasta at Hy-Vee. Why? Because the pasta sauce was on sale, but their pasta was not. Now, when they do put their pasta on sale for 65 cents, you can guarantee, I'm watching for that to come out, that I will jump over there and I will get a ton of different varieties and start stocking up on pasta. But it wasn't on sale this week, just the sauce. They're hoping that if you grab the sauce that you'll walk over and grab the more expensive pasta versus going to like a Walmart and grabbing the cheaper version of it. Same thing, same amount, same weight, same package, just cheaper. So don't get caught up on the more expensive grocery stores when it comes to pairing it with the sale item if the other items aren't on sale and cheaper than your other stores. If you have the convenience like I do to be able to go out and shop at many different stores within a certain small distance of mileage, do it, y'all. I mean, like, do it. Take the time to do it, because if you're going to save money, and I know time is money as well, but if you save money, you keep more in your pocket. So 28 jars of pasta sauce. Let's talk about how many jars we use a month. We use 8 jars a month. I use it for different pasta meals. My kids, you always will hear me tell you, they are pasta fanatics. Everything from the traditional spaghetti and meatballs all the way down to our version of Lazy Man lasagna. So we do use quite a bit of pasta for that sauce-wise. We also use it for pizza sauce, y'all. We got 3 different varieties. We got some kind of I believe it was like a garlic version. I think a garlic, tomato, basil version. We also got quite a few of the traditionals because that's what my kids' favorite is. And my favorite is the garden vegetable. So we got 3 different varieties. Y'all, I promise you, I did not wipe them out. They had so much in stock. It was crazy. Now, it's unusual for them to have the pasta sauce on stock and not the pasta, but that's okay. I'm going to hold off and wait. So yes, check out your local grocery stores. I was going to say Hy-Vee, but Hy-Vee is a Midwest store. Check out your local grocery stores that are even higher priced and just watch for sales. You saw my last video, all right? Because chicken leg quarters were 49 cents a pound. That's even cheaper than Walmart. Right now, they went from 67 cents a pound to 70 cents a pound. You wouldn't think a 3-cent difference per pound would add up, but y'all, it actually does. It really does. Pennies do matter. Let me tell you that. Pennies matter. So with that being said, yes, don't be intimidated that you have grocery stores in your town that maybe you don't shop at because they're expensive. Because my Hy-Vee is not a cheap store. It's not the most expensive, but it's not the cheapest either. But they had the cheapest pasta sauce this week. I'll tell you right now, Walmart just went up again on their pasta sauce in my area. It was $1.47 for a while. It started out at 98 cents. Then it went to $1.47. Now it's jumped up to $1.67. Increase in inflation. Y'all, it's not going down. It's going up, and it's not a small percentage. It is drastically climbing. They may look great when you pick up something that you say, oh, this is on sale. Look at all the other items you're picking up that you have that you use on a normal basis that have went up to accommodate for the items that they're putting on sale. So keep an eye on that as well. 28 pastas. Again, we use about 8 per month. So that gives me a total of 96 pasta sauces I need to get in stock for a 1-year supply. Now, you've heard me tell you I want anywhere between a 3 to 6 or a 6 to 9 month stock. Y'all, I think I'm going to forget that except for tomato products. Now, this is a 3 month and just a little bit over for a stock for me. That's great. That's why I will stay with tomato sauces. If they come back on sale within this 3 months period, I will restock again. Tomato products, I want to keep anywhere from a 3 to 6 month stock. I've had issues in the past with tomato sauces where we've opened the lid and there's been mold on them. And they were jars just like this one. So I need to be very, very careful with tomato sauces. I have not found that with canned tomatoes or diced tomatoes or canned tomato sauce that's like the Hunt's can or the Great Value, the actual cans. So I may stock up 6 to 9 months on them. But a little over 3 months of pasta sauce here. Also on sale for $1.29 was this bigger size sour cream. So we picked that one up as well. I just picked up one. I'm the only person in the house that uses sour cream, so I'm happy. It's not going to go bye-bye before I don't get any. Also picked up, they had bananas on sale. Here's another thing I'm going to talk to you guys. Y'all, I have done this in the past. These bananas, this was 10 pounds worth, y'all, and it's bananas on top of bananas on top of bananas. This was 10 pounds for $3.90 also at Hy-Vee. I think they were on sale for, I don't know if it was 16 cents a piece or 16 cents a pound. I'll be real honest, I can't remember. I just know it came out to $3.90, y'all, so do the math because it's too early in the morning for me to do so. Now, I have been a culprit of doing this as well. Do not run by Starbucks. Do not pass go. Go by Starbucks and do not go through. Drive through or nothing. Y'all, I have bought a slice of banana nut bread at my local Starbucks, and I've grabbed coffee from my local Starbucks. Starbucks now has coffee creamers that you can purchase in store. Purchase your coffee creamer in store. Make your coffee at home. If you like Starbucks coffee, then by all means, buy the bagged coffee and make it at home. Buy the bananas. Make your own banana bread at home. I'm going to be making pumpkin bread and banana bread this week with my kids. 2 of my kids are homeschoolers, and we are going to be making it from scratch with home economics. So, with that being said, I have paid $4.19 for a slice of banana bread. Now, stop and hold on a minute, because nobody pays attention to the pricing that often when you're going through the drive-thru. When you want something really quick in the morning, you want a hot coffee, you want a piece of banana bread, you want a piece of pumpkin bread. Y'all, stop, okay? I have said no thank you from here on out. All right? Like, no thank you, not happening. Now, not that I don't take my kids out for an occasional treat for a Starbucks, but we have a Starbucks app that gives us rewards and points to help us out there. But no more pumpkin bread, no more banana bread at Starbucks. Y'all, $4.19 for a slice? I'm going to be making banana loaves that don't even cost that much, okay? So make it at home. Do take the time. Everybody says, well, you know what? I'm short on time. I need the convenience. Y'all, if you're at home picking up your phone and watching YouTube and watching your fan favorites on YouTube, or maybe you're watching Netflix, maybe you're watching a streaming app, whatever, take the time to go in your kitchen, watch YouTube, watch your streaming apps, watch your news, watch whatever, and make something from scratch. Just bake it. Just put it in the oven. It takes me less than 5 minutes to make a batch of banana bread. And then I put it in the oven. I set a timer and I go do whatever else I need to do in the house, or whatever, hopefully I want, but it's more of what I need to do versus what I want to do. But with that being said, make it at home. All right. Prices are going up. Look at the drive-thru prices. They're going up too. Convenience isn't affordable anymore, y'all. Convenience is a luxury item. Now it's coming down to making it at home. I will link below the banana recipe, bread recipe that I also use, the same recipe to make oversized banana nut muffins as well. I will link that down below in the description box. I will also link down below the pumpkin bread recipe that I use as well. Y'all, I got canned pumpkin galore now, okay? And I'm still stocking up, not only for us, but for the dogs. This is not pumpkin pie mix. This is canned pumpkin, okay? Or pumpkin puree. All right, this is not the stuff with all the seasoning in, because my dogs can't have the seasoning. They only can have pure pumpkin. But buy it, make it yourself, and save the money. Stick extra loaves, stick extra muffins in your freezer. They freeze wonderful. They thaw out amazingly, and save that money. Now, if you like Starbucks coffee, by all means, you know, blonde roast is my favorite. It is my favorite. I don't buy it as often. I get it as gifts. My birthday comes up 4 days after Christmas. People say, what do I buy you? Buy me a bag of Starbucks blonde roast. Buy your Starbucks blonde roast. Buy your Starbucks whatever coffee. Make it at home. Bring the bag home. Trust you. Trust me. It's going to save you money if you do it from home. Convenience isn't going to be affordable anymore. Okay? It's just not going to happen. You go look in your freezer section at Walmart. One of my favorite things is baked kale. It's baked kale with 3 different varieties of cheese. In my local Walmart, it's $3.95 for a 7, I think it was like 7 or 8 ounces. That's it. Kale and 3 different cheeses. You know what I got on my shopping list for next week? Kale and 3 different cheeses. Why? Because I'm going to make it at home. So, yes, remember to shop at your very more expensive grocery stores or slightly more expensive grocery stores if you see something on sale that is cheaper than what you're getting at your normal stores that you grocery shop at. And make your items from home. I don't have Starbucks here because I didn't buy it. I do have Great Value coffee, which works great with us, but Starbucks coffee creamers are also in the store, y'all. Remember, okay? Make it at home. All right, y'all, this is what we have for you this week. Sorry it's not a bucket fill-up list week. It is definitely a pasta stock-up week when it comes to sauces. All right, y'all, we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, Without Limits is out.